Space is silent, or so we thought. In the vacuum of space, sound can't travel. There's no air, no echo, just emptiness. But NASA found a way to listen. Their spacecraft, like Voyager and Juno, detect electromagnetic vibrations, radio waves, plasma pulses, and magnetic storms that ripple through the cosmos. These invisible signals are converted into audio we can hear. What you're hearing now is the voice of Jupiter, and on Mars, where a thin atmosphere still whispers, NASA's rovers record the sound of wind and laser blasts. Even light and radiation become music through a process called sonification, turning raw data into sound. From black holes to supernovae, space is no longer silent. NASA didn't just explore the universe, they gave it a voice.